AI Product Translation. Welcome. Today we'll show you how to use the AI translation feature in ETIM-Mapper to localize your product descriptions instantly. To enable this feature, your administrator needs an API key from your AI provider. Using a unique key for ETIM-Mapper allows you to monitor and control translation costs. Translation is handled at the product level. Once you open a product for editing, you'll find a dedicated Translations tab. Please note that this tab is available only if the AI translation module has been enabled in your system configuration. Once active, this view displays every language-dependent field available for this specific item. At the top, you'll find the translation settings. First, select your source language. This is simply the available data or the data you trust most. Then choose one or more target languages. Next, indicate which multilingual fields are to be translated. Finally, select your mode, Replace, to replace existing content, or Complete, to fill in only the missing translations. Please keep in mind that the list of fields available for translation is dynamically linked to the source language. Only fields that are already populated and containing up to 2,000 characters in your selected source language will be available for translation. Below the settings, fields are neatly organized by categories, such as general info or attributes. You can edit source fields before starting the translation. The current text from the form will be used for translation, not the text saved in the application. When you click Translate, the AI populates these fields. Nothing is set in stone. You can manually review and edit any field right here. This ensures your technical terminology is 100% accurate before it goes live. Once you are satisfied, hit Save. By doing this, you are validating the work. The translations are now officially part of your product record. This human-in-the-loop approach guarantees high-quality data. Localize your catalog faster than ever. For more tips, visit our documentation or contact our support team.